Hello, David Bradley from the pet room here. The pet room is coming along. They've all been found, as far as I know. And I just have one more to move down here. But there's more other things that I'm going to shift in here that are pet related for the family picture portrait. There may be some things that I actually move out of here. For example, I've been gathering boxes because I'm trying to fill in the neutral space, and that's all fine. Like, pets didn't have good boxes, they had boxes. Although I have one of those. But anyway, so I have Commodore 64 stuff, and what do I got? 1581, VIC-20, they're piled up there. And some of them will be fine. There's also a couple of Amiga boxes. This is what, in like the movie industry or ads or whatever is, they're picking their frame. And anything that does not need to be there, not there. And if there is something they want there, they put it there. Like the other day I was driving along and there was some production going on, and there was a cop stopping traffic because these guys were walking across the street with some trees. I'm not sure if they were real trees or fake trees or whatever they were, but that would be for the Greens Department. And the Greens Department is there that if there is, it's okay. They want a tree here. They have other stuff that they might actually want for some specific reason, but also if there's something they don't want to see, then they put a tree in front of it. And it's all very detailed and meticulous, and it's crazy how long they take to set up shots. But anyway, yes, so some things will come out, some things will go in, and I'll try and get it all figured and sorted, and chances are I'll end up probably sitting on the floor down here, maybe on a milk crate, because the chair that I sit on takes away a lot of viewing space. And I know not everything is going to be seen perfectly, but even a hint of it. But Anyway, we are getting there. If you want to hear something magical, there it is. That is the Fat 4032, which it did have a rather, just a little bit of a waggle to the screen, but I left it on for, I don't know, 10, 12 hours, and I guess the capacitors sort of sorted themselves out for now. For now. All right. Well, that's the pet room update. Stay tuned. As I say, things will come, things will go. It will be done, and then, well, even before then, I may start doing some of the fixing. And what I'm going to do, because I have this 4032 here that has a large screen, that's probably going to be the one that, for the first while, when dealing with any of the machines that have the universal boards, which could be 80 or 40 column, depending on how they're set up, I'll test things in this machine and see what's what. Because I know, because it works, that we have good power, we have a good monitor, and really it comes down to power, circuit board, monitor. So if I can swap circuit boards in and out, I should know right quick, do I have a circuit board that's working? And if I do, great. And if I don't, then I can explore. So that's about all I have to say about that. So let the games begin, continue, carry on. This room has been, some 40 years in the making. We're almost there. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.